Team 7 presents Bluetooth technology. Please welcome Professor Schnick on the history of Bluetooth.
History of Bluetooth technology. Now, today we're going to talk about Bluetooth, yeah? So I want to show you this picture that my friend painted of King Harold I's castle. It is in Denmark, and King Harold I was the person that Bluetooth was named after, yeah? So, it says here that, with my lovely poster, that the LM Ericsson telephone company was trying to develop new technology based on research done with radio technology. Yeah, so they were Swedish, and in 1997 they received backing from other companies, and the other companies, went to and created the Bluetooth Special Interest Group. And that group developed the Bluetooth that we know today. Now, the original very high marketable things where it was very expensive at first, but then they cut down the cost, and now everybody can use it. And it also changed the standards in, laptop technology. You don't have to have so many wires all over the place. Yeah. So that is, about Bluetooth. Now it also says my friend Trevor Yancey wrote a story about or article about Bluetooth, and he says Bluetooth is as a communication technology that enables simple, spontaneous connectivity among cell phones, mobile computers, and other handheld devices. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Schnick, for that entertaining and informative history of Bluetooth. I'm Dr. Dave, and I'm going to give you a not so entertaining but informative presentation of how Bluetooth works. Bluetooth is a short-range communications technology that is simple and secure. It can be found in many different devices, including mobile phones, computers and tablets, home entertainment products, and even cars. Some of the key features of Bluetooth technology are robustness, low power, and low cost. Bluetooth wireless technology has the ability to simultaneously handle voice and data transmissions, and enables it to be used for applications such as hands-free headsets, wireless keyboards and mice, and wireless networks. A Piconet is a type of connection that is formed between two or more Bluetooth-enabled devices. Piconets have a 3-bit address space, which limits the maximum size of a Piconet to 8 devices or 1 master and 7 slaves. The Bluetooth technology operates in the unlicensed industrial, scientific, and medical, or ISM band at 2.4 GHz, using a spread spectrum frequency hopping full duplex signal, and is unlicensed in most countries. The range of Bluetooth devices will vary depending on the class of radio used in an implementation. Class 3 radios have a range of up to 1 meter. Class 2 radios, which are most commonly used in mobile devices, have a typical range of 10 meters, and Class 1 radios have a typical range of 100 meters. Bluetooth creates a bond between devices through a process called pairing. Pairing initially involves some level of user interaction, and this is how the identity of the device is confirmed. Once pairing successfully completes and a bond is formed between the two devices, those two devices can connect to each other in the future without requiring the pairing process again. And now Sergeant Scott will provide some information on the future of Bluetooth.
Thank you, Dave. I'm Sergeant Scott, and I'll be going over some of the future developments involving Bluetooth technology. So, where will Bluetooth take us next? That question can only be answered when we get there. There are so many ideas and potential uses for Bluetooth technology that Bluetooth SIG sponsors an international contest each year. The submissions are from all over the world, and each idea is judged based on ease of use, legal and ethical issues, and marketability. The contest is divided into subgroups similar to business markets, for example automotive, health and fitness, and consumer electronics. The overall winner of the 2011 contest was a small wearable device that synchronizes with an artificial pancreas system to provide real-time monitoring of temperature, heart rate, and even administer drugs such as insulin. The device pairs with a smartphone app to provide real-time display of this health information. From smartwatches that can track your workouts and automatically upload them, to watches that vibrate when you receive a message or an email. These products are emerging into the market as we speak. I'm sure just about everyone in every state has some type of hands-free calling law or regulation regarding cell phone use while driving. Well, the automotive industry is looking past hands-free calling and looking into incorporating smart apps that you can use in the vehicle. Real-time traffic, live weather, and the ability to check movie listings and restaurant information. Of course, most of these apps would need some kind of display to be in the vehicle, so it's not as likely that you'll start seeing them on a 1985 Honda Civic. But the automotive aftermarket will not be far behind the automakers in this one. Health and fitness. This is probably the field that has the largest potential for growth in Bluetooth usage. Anything and everything that can be imagined in regards to medical treatment is either under development or will be soon. There is even a Bluetooth-enabled toothbrush being developed that will monitor your brushing habits. Anyone else feel Big Brother watching you? So, what's in store? The possibilities are endless. Home automation, automotive entertainment and diagnostics, medical equipment, home electronics. Even the U.S. military has experimented with some Bluetooth technology. Of course, there's no publication that I could find, even with my connections, but the trials have not been conclusive as to whether it will be incorporated into the next generation of military vehicles or not. This concludes our video about Bluetooth. If there are no questions, then please exit in an orderly fashion. Dismissed.